Hi, everybody. This is Kelly Dakota. I am Silver Premier Leader of Team Pink is the New Black with Perfectly Posh. And I have had people asking me lately, how do I pre-sell a starter kit? And I've always suggested this to somebody who really wants to join Posh and work the business. And they typically want to join because they need extra money. And they need extra money for certain reasons. Therefore, they don't always have the money to buy the starter kit. Now, of course, I offer this as a last resort because I do want people getting all of the products in their kit and be able to open them and use them and smell them. But sometimes people joining, they are already customers, so they might already own a healer stick. They might own the BFF already. So it's okay to like go ahead and sell those things. And then maybe there's stuff in there that they're not really interested in. It's a great way to get them started on with their Posh business and get some customers right off the bat. So this is how I do it. There's other ways to do it too. But what I do is I set up a Facebook group for our potential person that's joining. I set up a Facebook group for them like I would for a Facebook party. That's how I do Facebook parties. I set up a group where I'm the consultant and I add in the hostess. In this case, the hostess of the party would be your potential recruit. Now, you're not setting up a party on the Posh website. This is just a Facebook party. So I set up the group and then I treat it just like I would her being a party hostess. I coach her how to be an awesome hostess. That's a whole other topic about hostess coaching and effectively adding people to the group, telling people about Posh, getting them excited to be there. That's all hostess coaching. So you're treating your potential recruit just like you would a party hostess. But like I said, don't set up a party for her on the Posh website because it's just a Facebook group party. And I do it as a group because she's going to join and then you can leave the group and give her the admin rights and that will now be her VIP group. And all these people that she had there in her initial party will be in her VIP group. Get it? So get that underway. Start your post, do a welcome post, introduce yourself, tell everybody why they're there. Okay. So, and the reason is let's say Danny just jumped on here. So we're using Danny as our potential recruit. Hi, Danny. So let's say Danny wants to join, but she doesn't have the money to do so. She's probably loving Posh and really wants to do this. So just do an introduction post. Do one to introduce yourself to everyone. Have Danny jump in and make a post about herself as well and why she wants to join Posh. And then do a post about what Posh is. Like hi Danny, what Posh is. Like, you know, the rundown, natural ingredients, under $25, made in the USA, cruelty-free, paraben-free, all that great stuff. Share about the You Deserve It Foundation, all that kind of thing, because you're giving this information to all these people that have joined the group and they might not know what Posh is yet. Then instead of just talking about all the products and this and that, you're only going to talk about the products that are in the current starter kit. And the way I did it is just I just do a post because there's only, I don't know, 10 to 15 products in the kit. So like maybe do one, there's usually like 3 skin sticks in the kit. So do one post about those 3 skin sticks. You don't want to over post and overwhelm people. If there's like 2 kinds of hand cream, do one post about the hand cream. If there's always BFF, you might want to do a post like about BFF and whatever masks come in the kit and like a moisturizer if there's a moisturizer that month. So group like products together, but just show what's what, and then tell people in those posts that these products are available to buy. And if they want to claim them, just to comment sold or I want it or something like that. Facebook is cracking down on things like that. I've noticed in other groups, like people won't type sold anymore because it's like a red flag for Facebook. So make a post about the skin sticks and then say, okay, if you want the healer, comment healer. If you want perk, comment perk. Like tell them what to do, tell them how much it costs, and always do like the price plus tax. You want the hostess charging tax. So, and then you're gonna have to work out with your hostess / new recruit how she's getting these products to the people. So letting them know they might need to pay shipping as well. But a lot of the time when somebody's just joining, the few people they bring into their group typically are their like nearest and dearest, and maybe they live locally to those people. It depends on the situation. But you can help your hostess out with that, because sometimes we do need to mail stuff, but they charge the new customer the shipping. The hostess doesn't need to pay that. So anyway, do that, make it really fun, get the people engaged, because you want this to be successful for them. Because if nobody pays attention, then they might think, oh, maybe I shouldn't get the kit. People don't care. So you want to really make it a fun party. Do what you've learned. Go, if you haven't learned things and you're unclear, go learn about how to do an effective Facebook party, how to hostess coach. Those are whole other training videos. There's tons of info out there, and we can help you find it if you need it. So just let us know. And then getting people to claim the products, and she doesn't have to sell her entire kit, because the kit's $99. The products are worth way more than that. So as long as she sells a chunk of it, the last time I did this, my hostess sold about like $74 worth of products from the kit. And I said, okay, you're up to $74. Is that enough? Like, can you cover the rest? And she's like, yes, I can. Because it's the whole thing with, it's $99 for the kit. It's, I think it's $6.95 for Hyperwallet for a year. And then there's tax and shipping on the kit. Depending on what your tax is, the shipping's $9. So, you know, like a $99 starter kit's really around like $120, $125, depending on the tax. So let them know that up front as well, just so they, if money's a real issue, just so they know they have enough. But that is pretty much it. I don't think I missed anything, but that's a great way to get them started. And then of course, when they sign up, they'll get their kit. They need to distribute those things. Give them tips on like adding some of those samples that came in their kit to the orders, the products that people bought, and writing them a nice thank you note, and really starting their business off on a great foot. And then encourage your new recruit to then book parties with those people that ordered, and like do a mystery hostess, like stuff like that, to get them going once that initial kit has been bought, so they can get their quick start rewards and get that going for them. So that's great. Oh, and there are new people that bought those items. Say somebody bought a honey, somebody bought the healer stick. Get your hostess / recruit to get those people, start posting in her group and sharing their reviews and getting people excited. Once they try their Posh, they're going to be blown away, right? So that's all great steps. And always encourage your hostess to, or your recruit, little terminology here, encourage your recruit to do an unboxing. Do an unboxing video of that kit. It really gets people's attention. And if they're brave enough to do it on their personal page, even better. People do that all the time. They open their mail. They're not selling anybody anything. They're just saying, look at what I got. And like, you know, like the FabFit Fun Box, people always are opening those online. Same difference, right? So those are my tips. I do suggest this as a last resort, only if they really need the money and can't afford to buy the kit. And hopefully it helps everybody get their new teammates started off strong, and helps those new teammates that we're bringing in get to be a part of the Posh life. Yay! All right, hope you found this helpful. Bye.